Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding replies with specific words on threads. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Using this feature will hide specific words of your choosing in the comments you receive on threads. When you change this setting, it will also change on Instagram. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. On your profile, tap the globe icon in the top left. Choose Hidden Words from the menu. Now select On below Custom Words and Phrases. Tap Manage Custom Words and Phrases. Write the words that you would like to be hidden, separated by commas. Tap Add. Your hidden words have now been added, and as long as On is selected, below Custom Words and Phrases, the words you chose will be hidden in your comment replies. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more threads, tips and tricks.